several areas in Saudi Arabia, April 20, 2024, where severe flash floods forced residents to be evacuated. The latest weather readings indicate expectations that cumulonimbus cloud activity will resume in the afternoon and evening of Saturday over several parts of the southwest of the kingdom, including the highlands of Jazan, Asir, and Al-Baha, in addition to parts of Najran, and it is not unlikely that they will extend to some areas. Governorates southwest of the Riyadh region administratively. These clouds are accompanied by rainfall of varying intensity, sometimes accompanied by thunderstorms and falling sedges, which leads to the flow of valleys and reefs in some areas. As for the rest of the regions, the weather is generally stable, and the weather is hot in most regions, with active southwesterly to westerly surface winds in several parts of the northern border, hail, and Medina, stirring up some dirt and dust. Northwesterly at a speed of 12 to 32 kilometers per hour in the northern and central parts, reaching 40 kilometers per hour in the northern part, and northwesterly to southwesterly at a speed of 10 to 35 kilometers per hour, reaching 60 kilometers per hour, with the formation of rainy thunderclouds over the southern part, and the wave height ranges from 1 meter to 1.5 meters over the northern part and from 0.5 meter to 1 meter over the central and southern part, reaching wavy with rainy thunderclouds forming over the southern part, and the sea condition is light to medium waves over the part. North and light waves over the central and southern parts, reaching wavy with the formation of rainy thunderclouds over the southern part, while the movement of surface winds in the Arabian Gulf is southeasterly to southwesterly at a speed of 10 to 30 kilometers per hour over the northern and central parts, and northwesterly to northeasterly at a speed of 10 minus 25 kilometers per hour on the southern part, wave height from 0.5 meter to 1 meter, and sea condition with light waves. The General Traffic Department issued a warning to citizens and residents of the kingdom regarding the necessity of following safety procedures for driving during rain, and among these procedures are: choose the shortest route to your destination before moving. Turn on the car lights so that the dimensions of the car are clear to those around you. Open the car windows slightly to prevent them from fogging up. Reduce your speed while driving in the rain. Leave a safe distance between you and the car in front of you to avoid sudden parking accidents. The Civil Defense issued an alert to warn citizens and stressed the need to take caution and follow safety procedures to keep everyone safe during rain. Constantly follow weather forecasts for updates, close windows tightly, and drive during times of rain when necessary and with caution. Weather specialist Adil Al-Khazanli explained, heavy rains in the Saudi are 1 day in Saudi, as well as in the Sultanate of Oman. There was an abundant amount of rain. He stressed that Saudi Arabia would be affected by the floods in the UAE and the Sultanate of Oman, and that what happened to the two countries was a special case. Al-Khazanli said, their climate records were 75 years old, and what was recorded was the highest amount of rainfall research study into climate change and its consequences on the Arabian Gulf region, and the causes of flash floods throughout the world, which coincided with the heavy rains witnessed in the United Arab Emirates and the Sultanate of Oman in 1 day that exceeded the average rainfall. Annually, it led to massive floods that caused some human losses. The study attributes the causes of floods to rising sea levels, which pose a threat to all cities, not just the coastal ones. The models included in the research study predict that maximum annual rainfall will increase by 33% before the end of the century under a scenario of rising greenhouse gas emissions. Due to the impact of the storm, the airline suspended check-in for passengers departing from Saudi and halted transit operations through Saudi International Airport, a major global travel hub, leaving thousands of passengers stranded. Rain is expected to taper off in the region, but a few showers may linger Wednesday before dry weather returns. As such, rainfall is infrequent, and in many areas there is limited infrastructure such as drainage to handle extreme events.